Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, today in this video I'm going to be doing a relaxed hair update. And recently I've been having so many questions from people, from friends, and on WhatsApp, Facebook, even here on YouTube. I they've been asking so many questions about the products I use for my hair. So I'm going to be talking about the products I use for my hair, and I'm also doing an unboxing because my the product I use for my hair has actually finished. So I ordered for new ones, and I also ordered for like the ones I've not used at all before. I just want to try them and see how my hair reacts to it, if it's also going to be nice to my hair the way the other ones I've been using. So yeah, let me show you guys the package and how it came. Like, I don't know, it's so beautiful and I'm so in love with it because I've been using this particular brand since it's been 2 years now since I started using it, but I started using it 2 years ago. And when I started, it was just for my skin that I use it for, but I started being consistent with my hair care journey last year, early last year. So, and for it's a year now since I started my hair care journey, and it has really been nice to my hair. So what I'll just say for those asking for the product I use, like, because some people just want you to tell them, okay, this is what I use, and then they want to buy it and use it once, and they are expecting their hair to just grow magically at once. So I don't know, so you have to be consistent with it, and you have to be patient and study your hair so to know if it is actually good for your hair. And yes, please do not be in haste, because it's not always about the product. There are other things that is also applied, your how often you wash your hair, how often you trim your hair, or other things that you basically need to do for your hair. Like, it's not just only about buying the product and applying it and then, yes, okay, the next morning my hair is going to grow. No, dude. Like I said, I've been using this for my hair. It's up to a year now, and yes, you guys, you can see the beauty of my hair. So it's not just the product, there are other things that I do as well, which I'm also going to be talking about. So yeah, let me show you guys what I got. So guys, this is how the package came, and I'm so in love with this little, I don't know, lovely letter, I guess. And it says, "You are beautiful, you're smart, your body is an embodiment of perfection. Thank you for always choosing candy oil for your body care and also hair care." This is so sweet, and honestly, I'm happy she did it this way. Anyways, guys, so yeah, this, okay, let me change it. That is how my package came, and yeah, this is carrot oil. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, this is carrot oil, and I actually use this one more on my skin. It is really, really good for my skin. Like, it has really been so helpful. It blends the color of my skin so well, and yes, it is nice. You can also use it for hair because, yeah, as you can see, toning skin and hair oil. I also use it for my hair, but not too often. So I'm just going to read the benefit of it here. It says healing of damaged skin, anti-aging and dandruff remover, blends natural skin tone, and yes, it has been blending my skin so well. And it also promotes hair growth and softness. Good. So the ingredient here they use is extracted oil from freshly harvested carrots with coconut oil as carrier oil. So guys, you can see this is a naturally made product, and it is very, very good for the skin and also for your hair. And then the other thing I use, like, oh my god, this is like my number one, because I don't know, this coconut oil have been so helpful. Like, I don't know, my hair loves it a whole lot, and yes, it is really nice for my hair. Even I like the scent, like this the scent is so, tempting. So yeah, the benefit says that it renews, moisturizes, and nourishes the skin. It promotes rapid hair growth, luxurious and instant skin glow, and it reduces dandruff and helps scalp healing. And truth be told, yes, it has been really helpful to my hair. And yes, when you're talking about fast growth, yes, fast growth, it has really made my hair grow a whole lot. And I also use it for my skin, but I only use it on my face. Like, I use it more on my face. If I'm going to be using it for my skin, it's usually my face, because sometimes my face react to the carrot oil. So, but when I use the coconut oil, it's always really good and nice. So it all depends on your skin. It all depends on your body. It all depends on your hair. So what works for me might not work for you as well. So you just have to take your time to study yourself. And yeah, that is it. This one is also extracted oil from the kernel of matured coconut harvested from the coconut palm. So yeah, naturally made product. And so guys, those are the things that I've been using, and which with other things, hair care, like washing, trimming of my hair. Those are the things I've been doing for my hair, and that has really been making my hair to grow, as you guys can see. So the new thing I ordered from Candy Oil is aloe butter, and I'm just going to be trying this for my skin, just for my skin. It is a body butter cream, so I'll be using this for my skin. And guys, honestly, the smell is so nice. Like, the smell is so tempting. Like, I don't know. It's so sweet. Imagine the scent to be sweet, and if the scent is this sweet, I hopefully it will be really sweet on my skin as well. Okay, the other thing I ordered for my hair is vitamin E oil. I had to order it just for in small quantity, because it is my first time, like it's going to be my first time of using it. So I just ordered for just small quantity of it, so that I'll see how it works on my hair. And also the final thing I got is neem oil. Neem oil, if you know neem, it's it's extracted from the plant, neem plant, yeah. So, and it has a whole lot of benefit, guys. It has a whole lot of benefit. I've been seeing it and I've been reading on it, so I want to try it on my hair to see how it works on my hair. So guys, these are the things that I use for my hair. And like I said, I also trim my hair, I also wash my hair often, but I'll be doing more details on how I care for my hair, probably not in this video. So yes, and also remember, if you have a personal comb that you use, you should also, once in a while sterilize it, because you comb your hair often, sometimes the dirt might just store in the comb, all the sides. So yes, I usually sterilize my comb. I use hot water and shampoo, and then I soak it in for 10 minutes, then I wash it. So yes, these are the little things I do to my hair, and yes, you guys can see it's really nice. So that is it for this video. And guys, my hair is 3 months stretch. The relaxer is 3 months stretch. I'm taking down this cornrow. I want to wash my hair, but I am not going to be relaxing my hair now, because for some reason I just want to stretch it longer. And yes, so that is it, guys. That is it. This is what is going on with my hair. And these are the products that I use for my hair. I'm also going to be sharing some other tips of hair care that I do for my hair. So if you're interested in it, then make sure to do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, guys. Give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for watching to this part of the video. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. For now, bye guys.